Hello, Fluent here. In today's video, we're going to show you how the EAMs integration works inside a Fluent case. We're going to begin by creating a brand new matter and selecting Import from EAMs. Now, we're asking you to type in an ADJ number, so that way our EAMs integration will begin to look for an ADJ in the EAMS system and importing. Here is an existing EAMS number in the EAMS case lookup, and here are the parties to that case. This is where you would select your different party members to be imported into your matter. Click Save, and now your new matter has been created and party members have been included along with other information that is part of the matter. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel and look for new feature updates weekly.